In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Wolt promo code in 2025. Wolt promo code is important because it helps you save money on food deliveries through discounts, free delivery, or special deals. To get your Wolt promo code this year, simply head to the Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in Wolt promo code 2025. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has $10 off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your Wolt app. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official Wolt website. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. Well, that's how easy it is to get your Wolt promo code in 2025.